Guys, welcome to my art channel. Hope you're all well. Thanks for being here with me today. So I'm just showing you two normal, just cheap acrylics. Their brand is Mont. I did notice it was Chinese white when I've just done my editing, but it doesn't matter for this application. So just normal white and normal black. This is just going to be my background. I wanted a gradient background, shaded background, so no water's added, just the acrylic paint. Quite a few people have been doing this. I know Rinske done it and Sarah Mack, where you have the gradient background and then you use a translucent pillow base, whatever, on top of that, so that when it dries you can see these colours underneath. But I'm doing it with the Bloom recipe. So my base is my normal pouring medium. So it's in Australia, it's neutral. It's called neutral. But I didn't add any varnish because obviously I didn't want it slippy. So it's just the straight out of the tin, just the normal pouring medium. But it was I found this 1 litre tin and I stupidly didn't stir it. So it was like putty. It was so thick. So you'll see I really struggled to get it to move. And I did want more of an abstract look. I didn't want my normal swipes that I do. I just wanted it to, you know what I mean, like a freer look, really abstract to go with the background. So it wasn't too bad, but I am going to do it again. Next time I will add some water to my pouring medium and really give it a good stir, because I want it, look at it, you can't really tell now, but you will tell when when I try to move it. I want it similar to my normal pillow paint, or maybe a little bit thicker. So that is TLP Lakeside I've just shown you, and TLP Athena, Atelier Dioxazine Purple, and cell activators are, I'm saying it wrong again, Atelier Rich Gold and Atelier Tinting Pearl Titanium White with normal titanium white, just a dollop added to it. Both of the cell activators are mixed with just Australian Floetrol, nothing else added, no oils or anything. And my pigments are mixed with the same pouring medium that you can see now on the canvas, plus Jo Sonja varnish. But when you see me try and swipe, you'll see what I mean. It just, mainly it's when I try and drag it, it just won't move. And when I spin it, it won't move. And it took 3 days to dry because it was so thick. Luckily it didn't crack, probably because there's not any pigment in it. But at the end result, I love. It's got so much depth, so I do love it, and I will be revisiting this. And the canvas size is a 10 by 12 inch, and I will stop waffling and come back to you right at the very end.
Got a little lost in never felt as good or as easy as when we were young. Oh, though I felt misunderstood, it was a pleasure running away with you. We were just children acting like adults, crazy, naive, bold and carefree. We were kids having kids, crazy, naive. It amazes me that we didn't fall apart harder than we did. Now they keep us on speaking terms. We grow and we learn. I have no regrets, only forgets. Oh, a big thank you to life for giving us sand. Oh, when the timing's right, there's no wasteland. Oh, we were just children acting like adults, crazy, naive, bold and carefree. We were kids having kids, crazy, naive. It amazes me that we didn't fall apart harder than we did.
So doesn't it look totally different with the background dry? But I do love the depth, I love the dark centre. And I'm quite happy I did use the Chinese white. If I'd have used the titanium, I would have got a bolder white. So I'm quite happy I chose that one by mistake. If you like this, please hit the like button and please subscribe. If you haven't subscribed already, it's free, and then you'll know when I put out a new video and you can hit the notification bell. Please share with anybody you think might be interested, and as always, everything's listed in the description box. Click on the video title to easily get there, and thanks for being here. Stay safe. Bye. See you soon.